I'm about to say some funny Mr. Noisy quotes. Boy, it's dark in here. Talk again and I'll have to call the manager. No talking in the reference section. We've been down here for hours and still haven't seen the Fangosaurus. I'm starting to think it doesn't exist. But our footprints are coming from this direction. 4. Can you please keep it down, Mr. Quiet? I'm practicing. Come on down to Mr. Noisy's Shiwatorium. Why is it so hard to find some help these days? I'm going door to door selling this vacuum. Mr. Stubborn, I can't help but notice are going in the opposite direction from the pool. I was talking to the buffalo. It looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon here in the A, B, and C aisle. Library goers can find books and subjects from aardvarks to beeswax to coconut cream pie. He's died. It's time for funeral now.